Hello, Professor Calaman is here. I am your English teacher. We're going to start class on Tuesday at 4 p.m. for English 285 Introduction to Creative Writing, and I'm really excited that we're going to get started. I hope that you are looking forward to it. So what you're looking at right now is the course web page, which is on our Blackboard system. If you're not familiar with Blackboard, you're going to need to get familiar with it very quickly. This is how we are teaching classes at Hunter right now. Your Zoom connection is here. When you open the Zoom room, you'll see that I have all of the meetings set up. So we start on the 13th at 4 o'clock. Our class is about 2 hours. It's an hour and 53 minutes. And our last class is August 16th. So that's available to you on the Zoom tab. If you click on the Syllabus tab, you'll notice that I have the syllabus. Here's one for you to download, which is a Word document. We are going to start our class on Tuesday by reading a poem by Sandra Cisneros. So feel free to go ahead and look at that. All of the readings are in the two books. So I'm going to just skip down to the bookstore information. When you click on the bookstore information, it has the literature book, which is the first one that you're going to need to get right away. And then our second unit is poetry, so we'll be reading this book by Mary Oliver, which is like a handbook. It's a great book, actually. And the anthology has everything that you'll need. There will be a few other readings that I will put up on Blackboard. As far as assignments, there's going to be 3 genres that we're working on. So fiction, poetry, creative nonfiction, and you will be asked to post so that when we get to the workshop, we can all look at the work that you've posted. And I will give you comments on your work on those discussion boards. So if you don't post, you won't get my comments. The comments are meant to help you revise for the portfolio. So the way that the course is going to break down, I'm just going to scroll into this, is the syllabus. You'll notice it's 300 points total, 100 points for participation, that includes workshops and exit tickets, 100 points for assignments, quizzes, and the midterm, and 100 points for the final portfolio. So there's 20% off for late work. You want to make sure that you meet the deadlines. And you can check the deadlines by going to the calendar. I'm not going to click on this because it'll open my entire calendar for all of the classes I'm teaching. But you can keep track of assignments. And I normally will send out on announcements reminders. So those reminders go right to your email. So the most important thing is to check your Hunter email and check Blackboard. And if you want to get a jump on the reading, go ahead and read the poem by Sandra Cisneros. And I will see you on Tuesday. Bye.